Can we recover deleted Telegram messages, chats, pictures, and videos? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the video on the topic that says, can we recover deleted Telegram messages, chats, pictures, and videos? So here to tell you upfront, the short answer is it depends. And in this video, I'll explain what's possible, what's not, and how you can try recovering your Telegram data in 2025. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, step one is to understanding Telegram storage. So here, to tell you upfront, there are three major things. First, Telegram stores messages and medias on the cloud if they are on regular chats. And here, second thing is deleted messages from your site cannot be recovered from Telegram servers. And the third last thing is secret chats are end-to-end encrypted and cannot be recovered once deleted. And with that, moving forward to the step two, that is to recover from the cache. So simply open the Telegram app, and from here, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, in this section, you simply have to tap on settings, and from here, simply have to scroll down and tap on data and storage. And now here in this section, just tap on storage uses, and under the cached media, you can simply see if the pictures and videos were downloaded before deletion. And here you can copy them to a safe folder on your phone. But note that this only works if you opened or downloaded the media previously. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to tell you what cannot be recovered. So deleted message from the secret chats can't be recovered. Messages deleted from the other person account in a normal chat can't be recovered. And any media or chat that were never downloaded to the device cannot be recovered at all. And with that, can we recover Telegram messages on media? Sometime yes, but that's only for cached and backed up media. But if it's the case with secret chats and deleted messages, then it can't be recovered. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.